everyone, my name is Sadhya Vinod. I am studying in class 5th B. Today I am going to perform a shadow of animals. So let's enjoy. Here you can see, it's a bird. It's a goose. It's duck. It's a goat. It's crab.